All right, Rankin family. So we are looking at the beautiful Partners in Building. You know, we love this one on this channel. Of course, I want to make sure I bring you the best of the best. So of course, this one is going to be right here in Porter. As soon as you walk in, you're going to have, of course, the double front doors with the nice covered patio. And then we'll head in here so that way you can see the beautiful grand foyer. They have the tray ceilings on the top with a chandelier right there. You're gonna have that study right there to the left, and then this is gonna be the beautiful great room. Of course, you're gonna have the 20-foot ceilings with the candlelight chandelier. You have that stone fireplace. Plenty of space for entertaining guests and just having the family over. And if you notice, the tray ceilings, it extends over here towards the kitchen as well as the candlelight chandelier again. And then even right here, going into the beautiful kitchen, you have that nice oversized island with the quartz countertops, the wooden range hood, stainless steel stove. Absolutely gorgeous. Now keep in mind, this is the custom home, so a lot of these designs are gonna be custom to this model home in particular. Depending on certain upgrades that you want, it may or may not be the same. Of course, we can opt for something that makes sense for you. And then even going into this little common area right here, you got your LED ceiling fans. Nice size ceiling, so it definitely does not feel too enclosed to the point where you just feel, clustered in here. And this will be your half bath right here. Got plenty of space, and the good thing is it's off centered to the kitchen, so that way if guests need to go and use the restroom, they can just use that area right there. Got your nice size walk-in pantry as well. And then even looking in here, you got a nice size laundry room. You got the cabinet crowns on top with plenty of storage space. Even looking in here, you can see that you got plenty of cabinet space and things like that if you need to put laundry detergent and things like that, just to have them out of sight, out of mind. And then this will be another little closet right here. And then even right here, you'll have your mud room with the cabinet crown. So you got a nice size mud room with all the hangers that you need and all that good stuff. And then I'll even pan one more shot, that way you can see. So if you notice, you got the great room right there. Then you got your little dining area section right there, plus right here in the kitchen. So it just kind of all flows together perfectly. And then we'll head this way so that way you can see what we're working with. And then we'll go to the primary bedroom. So of course you have your sliding wooden doors. Even looking in this beautiful bathroom, you got the nice size soak-in tub, beautiful lighting fixtures. You have that black trim that you folks so love. And then even looking how beautiful this is. So I know some folks may be concerned with, the shower not being enclosed, but trust me, the water will stay in its place. You don't have to worry about that. And then going in right here, you have your nice size walk-in closet. You got plenty of room, plenty of space in here. Perfect size. It doesn't have a lot of that size where it might be wasted space. In my opinion, it's perfect. His and hers sink right there. So it's a perfect ensuite. And then even looking in this side, so you got a decent size room right here, plenty of space for 2 night tables, king size bed, and then even all the window space in here as well is fantastic. And then look, I'll even pan right here. Absolutely stunning. And then of course you would be able to see outside. You have all the window space that you need for plenty of natural light coming in. So that's always fantastic. And even looking right here, you got a nice size closet. Put comforters in there, linens and things like that. And then right here, you'll have a 1-car garage, and then you have the other garage right there. So you have plenty of space. This would be perfect for, you have guests that want to park right there and go straight into the guest room right here. Absolutely gorgeous. You got your LED ceiling fans on top, which is always a great request. This one has its own bathroom attached to it, which is perfect. Like I said, this is a perfect room for a guest. And then shower tub combo. You got your tile flooring, adds a nice touch to it, even with the lighting fixture on top. Has a nice modern feel to it itself. And then what we'll do is we'll head upstairs. That way you can see what's going on over there, and then head to the backyard as well. So again, like I said, this one is a custom home. So there's a lot of different upgrades that you could utilize if you want to start from scratch. And just, you see some things in the model house that you say, I absolutely want that. And then some things that you want to change, no problem. And then you got that chandelier coming down right there, and that adds a nice elegant feel. And then right here, of course, you could have a little common area again. Use this as a game room. I could see you probably putting, you know, a pool table right here, maybe a couch, watch some NFL Sundays. And then we'll go into this bedroom. And this will be the third bedroom right here. LED ceiling fans again in here. Baseboards extend this way as well. I love the clear story windows on top, which definitely adds a lot of natural light again. And of course, if this is first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single day from folks looking to make a move out here. So if you're in that bucket, you can reach out to the information below and consider hitting that subscribe button, because I'd love to see you around again. And then even right here, got a nice closet again. So you got plenty of storage space throughout this property itself. And then the bathroom right here, you got the shower tub combo. You got that nice backsplash matching. You got the stainless steel lighting fixtures on this one. I know a lot of folks are fans of the black trim on the lighting fixture, so let me know what you think about that below. And this will be the fourth bedroom right here. This one does attach to that bathroom right there, but you have a nice size walk-in closet again. And then I'll do one more pan for you. So this will be perfect for, you know, a small child. You can have a queen size bed in here with the night tables, and you have plenty of space. But again, like I said, you can definitely make modifications and changes and things like that if you need to. And what we'll do is we'll go take a look in the backyard to see what we're working with. Of course, you want to make sure that you do definitely have those common areas. A lot of folks love the common areas and the backyard patio. That's always a good selling point right there for sure. And then even walking out of here, this is perfect right here. Look how gorgeous this is. You have a nice size covered patio. You got some space for the family just to come out here and hang out. You got plenty of space. And then this is the backyard. So keep in mind, there are different size lots that you could utilize just depending on what you need it for. But I can tell you one thing, Partners in Building have everything that they need to accomplish your real estate goals. And that, folks, is Partners in Building. All right, family, I hope you absolutely love that Partners in Building property. Let me know in the comments what you folks think about it. Of course, if you do want more information, link in the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.